Hello and welcome. Today I have a really fun video. I was very kindly reached out to by the jewelry company Gnoce, and they asked me to pick a few items that I liked and they sent them to me. And so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of those items and putting them on. And then I thought it would be really fun to create a makeup look inspired by all these pieces of jewelry. So if you'd like to see all the pieces that I got from Gnoce, as well as how I put this look together inspired by the jewelry, just keep on watching. I'm going to start with a little unboxing, and then I thought it would be fun to create a little bit of a makeup look inspired by this jewelry. So it came packaged in this cardboard box with this beautiful little postcard on it that just says Gnoce, New York. And then it's packed in styrofoam and in another box. And then everything is in this little velveteen bag here. So it's really nicely packed. Everything felt really secure and safe, like nothing was going to get battered around too much in transport, so that's great. And then when I open up this little bag here, everything is inside, all nice and safe in its little plastic bags. So they invited me to just choose a few things that looked interesting to me, that appealed to me. I'm going to take everything out of the little individual wrappers and then we can look at it all. Let's look first at the charm bracelet and the charms. This brand seems to really specialize in charm bracelets and charms. They have tons of different charms to choose from. And one of the things that I really enjoyed going through their website was just the variety of charms they had and the variety of jewelry overall. There's a lot of jewelry there that is different from what you would see anywhere else, at least what I've seen anywhere else. But they also have some more kind of standard, more subdued pieces. But I like that mixture and having the option to get something that's a little bit more different as well. So this is what the charm bracelet looks like. And then I got 3 charms. So I have this one here, which is these cute little bells. So you've got the rose gold bells, the little silver bow on them. I thought that was cute, and I like that rose gold color. So I'm gonna pop that onto the chain. And then the second one I got is this little pomegranate, which I love. I love pomegranates. I love that the back has that red tone on it. I love the details on this, all the seeds and the gold in contrast with those kind of coppery orange ruby tones. I think is really pretty. And I love the symbolism of pomegranates too. So I thought that would be a really fun one to have. And then the last little charm is this little bee here, which is super cute. It has these little like rhinestone detailing on the wings. You've got the stripes there, and I just think it's really cute. And the bee is actually for my family. It's kind of a symbol for my family. My grandfather used to keep bees and my dad used to keep bees. So it's a bit of a symbol for my family. So I was really excited to see the bee there and thought that would be a perfect one for me to have. So I've got all 3 of them on the bracelet here. And I'm just gonna put this on my wrist. So here's the bracelet on with all the charms. Really pretty. It has a good weight to it. It's not too heavy, but it's got a nice weight at the same time. So the next thing was this ring, which I think is just really pretty. If you've seen any of my videos before, you've probably noticed that I really like to wear rings. And I thought that this one would be such a beautiful addition to my collection. So we have these beautiful little rose gold flowers and the pearls. Really pretty and intricate, but delicate at the same time. So there's how that ring looks on my finger. And we have these earrings, which I think are so pretty. I like the asymmetry here, so each one is a little different. You've got the sun and moon theme. So this one has the sun right there with a star, and then here's the moon, and then each dangly bit is a half moon as well. One curving upward and one curving downward. I like the symbolism of the moon as well, and I thought these were so pretty. I love earrings too, and I like dangly ones, and I thought these would be really fun because they're still like fairly subdued, but there's a lot of interest going on with them at the same time. Just before I put the other earring in, I wanted to show you, this is actually kind of like having 2 pairs of earrings in one, because you can have them like this, but then this dangly part actually can come right off, and then you can just have that little stud with the dangly star, which is really cute. So here are the earrings on. And the last thing is this chain here. So this is really meant to be a necklace, but I think it's a bit more of a choker on me, and that's not a length that I feel comfortable wearing. So I think I'm gonna just use this as a bracelet actually, and just wrap it around my wrist a couple of times. I think that looks beautiful as a bracelet, really delicate. I like those chain links, and I like the gold as well. So that's everything, and now let's get into the makeup look. I have my base on already, of course, and now I just want to add a little bit of blush, so I'm going to go into my Salt New York Rose blush. I really want to play on the tones in the jewelry, so the golds, the silvers, and especially the kind of rose gold and the blue that's found in the earrings here. So I'm going to play those out on the eyes, but I thought the rose blush would be a nice kind of nod to that rose gold as well. I'm going to be drawing from a few palettes, including all 3 of the Oden's Saga of Freja palettes. I think these just have the best tones and textures for this, and then I might go into a Pat McGrath as well. I'm going to start with my classic crease brush from Sonia G, and I'm going into the shade Peace right here in the Freja Saga palette. Here's the completed eye look. Just finished off with some mascara, and I like this look. I don't think I would ever have come up with this if it weren't for this jewelry as inspiration. I really tried to pick up on all the tones and the textures in the jewelry with the rose goldy type colors in the inner corners and the crease, and then that kind of silvery blue to mimic the silver, as well as pick up on a little bit of the blue that's in the earrings, which is further intensified by that navy liner, and then the gold to pay homage to the gold on my wrist there in that chain on the lower lash line. So I think it's a really fun look, and as I said, I don't think I'd ever have thought of anything like this without the jewelry as inspiration. So I just want to finish up with the lips, and I want to stick with that kind of rose goldy type theme, just with those kinds of undertones and tones. So I thought I'd start off with my Lisa Eldridge Intrigue liner and Intrigue lipstick. There's the Intrigue combo, but I thought it would be fun to add in a little bit of Velvet Blush lightly as well, right into the center of the lips, and just see what that does. There we go. It just adds a little bit of dimension and a little more interest to the color. So here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. All of these pieces of jewelry are going to be linked below, and I think they're giving me a discount code for you folks to use as well, so I'll put that below as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing this beautiful jewelry from Gnoce and seeing me create this makeup look inspired by all the jewelry. Thank you so much to Gnoce for sending me this beautiful jewelry and being great to work with. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments below. I'd love to see those. And if you'd like to see more from me and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would really love for you to do so. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.